What is it that haunts you? Whose eyes peer at you from the dark?
I see you watching me with those eyes.
Kazama, think of your helplessness when Ogre killed your mother.
I feel them follow me all the time.
In order to defeat him, you must purge the Kazama pacifism and stoke your Mishima fire.
You've got your secrets and I've got mine.
I'm going to tear you down completely. Then I will build you back up.
How do we know when to draw the line?
Your body itself will be a weapon. Mishima style is the only way. It's time. Welcome. Only the best are invited to compete in the King of Iron Fist competition.
What's up?
Hi.
Williams is a killer.
She doesn't look too dangerous.
That's the spirit.
You two are friends?
No.
I'd love to teach one of Heihachi's goons a lesson.
I'll see you in the ring. Good luck tomorrow, kid. To you too. Who needs luck? I've got the skills.
Do not advertise you're related to Mr. Kazuya Mishima.
Kazuya was evil in its purest form. The Mishima bloodline is tainted. The last thing you want to do is get tangled up with the Mishimas.
Every opponent you defeat is one step closer to defeating Ogre.
Challenge accepted.